अंबानी, दिलजीत, पीवी सिंधु, मतलब
अरे सबको आपने
40 जूते, श्रेयस अय्यर पिछले हफ्ते।
क्या बात कर रहे हो? यू द फाउंडर?
I'm the founder.
आई लाइक द कॉन्सेप्ट.
Thank you. For me and for Adidas as well, they do double the revenue whenever we come.
Is it?
Every time.
अच्छा, they double the revenue
They
when
double
you
the
come,
revenue when we come.
and you get paid by Adidas.
We get paid by
So
Adidas.
it's not your cost, it's basically Adidas.
Basically, Adidas.
Why it is written I can be customized? क्या customized?
You can customize here, sir. Anything if you want to put something, anything over this side can be done.
मतलब I can write something.
Yeah.
Can you show me in my size?
What size was it?
7 या 8. So Tech Burner told us content में something is working, just keep on doing it back to back. Ta-da! Sambas are working. So many sambas.
This shoe, there are two directions you can go. One is if you broadly like the look of the shoe already, you can opt for something minimal. Like
Okay.
minimal में काफ़ी लोग क्या करा रहे हैं, वो वाला है हमारे पास जो रेडी है, हाँ अच्छा वो गया कस्टमर हो गया. Okay sir, I have some pictures. So a lot of people are either going for something personalized, like adding their own initials, their name, something like that. Maybe on this side of the shoe which seems a little empty. And some people want to stay with the theme. So for that, I have a few examples of what we've recently done.
And what time does it take to get it done?
Bro, so initials or anything, super quick. 15 minutes, 20 minutes at
Okay.
most. The other things which I'm about to show you, they might take time.
Okay.
So for example, this person got like a tiger on the inside of the shoe.
Okay.
It was like tiger. This person got a big kind of
Wow,
claw mark
I
on
like
the other side. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So the
Yeah.
shoe she's making right now, which we have started, which we know we won't finish, it has a tiger on one of the heels, and on the other heel it has this claw,
Okay.
both in a side.
Okay.
Then yeah, there's a smaller claw also in a red which matches this red, or like,
Can I give a sign also?
yeah, absolutely. We can do your sign or any sign on the inner side, maybe matching the gold like Ranveer's.
Okay.
So that is also possible. These are a couple which yes, people have done, but always there's some personalization.
थोड़ा क्रेडिट में आपको आना पड़ेगा यार.
Really, मतलब मैं हूँ ना.
But the only challenges I have only today.
So all these shoes that we have, they're going to our studio, like roughly 30-40 shoes. If you need the shoe ASAP and you want it now, then go for something minimal जैसे sign, वो हो जाएगा. अगर आपको claw वगैरह कराने हैं, सारे shoes हमारे studio आते हैं which is in Delhi, we complete it and then we ship it.
Okay.
उसका timeline like 2 to 3 weeks रह सकता है.
2 to 3 weeks.
हाँ, because ये transit ना is not in our control when we get the shoe from.
And how much does it cost? Like the claw.
So that's the thing. Whatever customization charges is on these 3 days, the campaign is it's sponsored by Adidas. So normally 4-5K जो रहता, you don't need to pay. Adidas.
Wow, is it?
Yeah, bro.
I'm on a good day.
You're on a very good day.
No.
It's just the time which takes to do the handwork remains the same.
So then it's
you
fine.
don't pay with money, you just pay with time.
Then it's fine, no?
Yeah.
Cool. So now let's do something which I can get in 3 weeks. Not a problem.
So yeah, let's do something cool फिर.
Now help me out.
ठीक है. क्लॉ कैसा लगा? इन सब में से कुछ कूल लगा जो चाहिए?
See, you already follow me, right? You know the D2C
I
side
know
of
the
it.
whole side of it.
है
वैसा
ना?
कुछ करना है.
So
उसे
bring
action
that direction to our shoe.
करना है. 1 महीना भी वेट करोगे?
हाँ 2 महीना भी वेट करेंगे.
तो फिर कुछ insane
अभी कॉमेंट लेके आऊँ भाई, तो मैं तो बस
आज शॉपिंग पे ही निकले हो.
शॉपिंग में निकलो.
समझ गए. तो मेरे पे छोड़ दो.
हाँ बताओ.
कॉमेंट भी अपने भाई लोग ही हैं, उनके साथ भी हमारा ड्रॉप आया था.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Adidas का?
नहीं ब्रो, we're actually a separate company. We're customizers. This is us. We're called Coachside.
Oh, acquisition strategy for you guys.
For me and for Adidas as well, they do double the revenue whenever we come.
Is it?
Every time.
अच्छा, they double the revenue
They
when
double
you
the
come.
revenue when we come. Because customization is on the house ना. So they call us in a lower sales period. आप खुद देख लो. अप्रैल मई वगैरह में तब थोड़ा retail slump था.
Got it.
हम आते हैं जो वो normally 50 जूता अगर बेचते हैं 3 दिन का 100-150 भी बेच देते हैं जब हम
Because of this, people tend to.
come. We also have our
हाँ
own
यार,
audience.
ये तो मतलब this
Our
is-
AOV is what 15K.
This looks crazy, भाई.
और ये तो सबसे simple है bro.
What is the most typical shoe that you have created? According to you, what's your favorite?
What is my favorite? अच्छा, तो मैं Adidas छोड़ो, ये तो I'll quickly brush through this. We will
हाँ.
do this kind of stuff also. मेरा favorite यार शायद Nike है.
हाँ दिखाओ.
मतलब lately favorite. वैसे तो सारे बच्चे हैं अपने. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है जो मेरे को पसंद है.
And you charge around 4,000 for this.
नहीं ब्रो.
But art to art depend करता होगा.
4 से लेकर 20. 4 स्टार्टिंग है. ये आपका वाइट शू था जैसे,
Wow.
डेनिम स्टिच्ड है, शशी
Wow.
स्टिचिंग है, रफली 15 फॉर द आर्टवर्क।
यार वो जूता पहन तो नहीं पाएगा यार।
हाँ भाई, उसने बताया कि 1.5 साल तक वो रखा था।
हाँ, रखा ही होगा।
काफी लोग रखते हैं,
रखते
पर फिर एक दिन आता है जब वो पहन लेते हैं।
हाँ,
जैसे ये आप देखो,
जब अगर ओ भाई
इज लाइक मेंट फॉर द मॉडर्न डे ब्राइड, मेड टन्स ऑफ दीस
वाओ।
एंड पीपल डू वेयर देम इन देयर वेडिंग्स।
हाँ, दे विल 100%। अमेजिंग भाई,
स्टोन कारीगरी वगैरह इन डेप्थ।
बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत सुंदर।
थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू। ये थोड़ा मेरे को पसंद है क्योंकि थोड़ा इंडिया का टच है ना।
Actually, yeah, that's very
Felt a
beautiful.
little royal and it felt different from other things which could be made by someone in the
Yeah,
US.
yeah,
also.
yeah, yeah. But this is something which only
ये
we can
हम भी
create.
बना
Yeah,
सकते
that's
हम इंडिया के ही बना सकते हैं, तो वो इसलिए मेरे को ये बढ़िया लगा। बाकी यू नो लाइक F1 वगैरह के भी do a ton of designs.
nice. Interesting है यार, बहुत interesting business. And how did you started this?
So I wanted to do something in sneakers around COVID. I did not have enough money or balls to start my own brand. And at that time it was like भाई मैं तो Nike खरीदता हूँ,
हाँ,
तो मैं कुछ Nike पे भी नहीं करता। Like I was just in my first job. I barely had any savings. So then I saw US वगैरह में ये चल रहा है, and India में there are artists, but there nobody's like systematically doing it, like selling the top sellers,
selling the-
running ads. मतलब लोग कर रहे हैं,
हाँ,
धंधा नहीं कर रहा कोई।
as a hobby कर रहे हैं,
As a
but
hobby
not
कर
as a
रहे हैं,
business
as
and
a
scale
passion
नहीं
कर
कर
रहे
रहे
हैं।
हैं। हाँ,
तो मैंने कहा ट्राई करके देखते हैं, while I find my next big business, let me try this as a side hustle, because मेरा जो जॉब था was a product manager in a startup. My weekends were empty.
oh,
तो वीकेंड वाला वीकेंड पे करके देखता हूँ। तो क्या हुआ, जो मैंने किया, मैंने बाहर कोई यूएस की मार्केट प्लेस क्रैक कर लिया, एंड विद इन 3 months आई वाज द टॉप सेलर इन यूएस।
is it?
हाँ,
Wow.
तो वहाँ पे फुल पुश होता रहा। इंडिया में मैंने इंस्टा तक नहीं स्टार्ट किया है, एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड, कोविड हैपेंड, एंड देन द कंप्लीट सप्लाई चेन ऑफ लाइक शिपिंग टू द यूएस बंद हो गया।
बंद हो गया।
And मेरा थॉट था भाई इंडिया में एयरफोर्स वन खरीदता कौन होगा।
People buying 20,000, 30,000 products very easily. So
Yeah.
India wants
इंडिया इज
brands.
वैल्यू कॉन्शियस।
Yeah, yeah, they need value.
They need
The moment they see value, and there are 10 of people who will get this done. But it just need to be brand and marketed, and I think it's a great way. See, both the you Adidas win-win. Nobody.
Biggest win for customer firstly.
Yeah,
Because they
yeah.
don't
And if you're
pay-
coming on the third May, then so it's
yeah, even
cherry on the top.
Cherry on
So if I'll be coming on 4th, let's say,
Bro, this is not there. ये साल में 2 बार ही होता है।
और-
और इवेंट सिर्फ इस वीकेंड का था। लास्ट वीक वी वर इन सिलेक्ट सिटी वॉक साकेत।
Saket, okay.
नेक्स्ट वीक वी वर इन टागोर गार्डन। उससे पहले वी वर इन लिंकिंग रोड, उससे पहले वी वर इन कोलकाता, उससे पहले वी वर इन चंडीगढ़।
And you get paid by Adidas.
वी गेट पेड बाय
So it's not your cost, it's basically Adidas.
बेसिकली Adidas sponsoring the customization.
Got it. And why Adidas is doing this? Because their sales are down relatively at this point of time.
मतलब it's essentially a branding and a top line play both. Top
Yeah,
line
of
तो
course.
boost होती है, plus
हाँ,
branding भी because
and my
activation हो
experience
रही
is also getting better because of Adidas.
Exactly. Now, many people are repeat customers. This is probably the 3rd year we're doing it. So many people who met us in the first year, they regularly come every 6 months during this event to buy 2-3 shoes.
Wow.
So it is a thing for them.
It is a thing for them, yeah.
And आप मानोगे नहीं, like we know Nike as a brand जिसके custom shoes बाहर हर जगह होते हैं।
Ah,
अब यहाँ पे लोग आते हैं और कहते हैं भाई Adidas बढ़िया है, वो customization करते हैं और कोई नहीं करता।
they think
है
it's
ना?
got
Because
it.
those
got
are
it.
retail offline customers. We are online. We know the world कि भाई ज़्यादा Nike चल रहा है।
क्या सोच रहे हो, मतलब सोच मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ ना पीपल से कि कोई भी एक छोटी नीच का भी अगर आप 1% हो ना टॉप,
हाँ।
क्रेजी है। तो एंड अगर यू आर द टॉप, आपसे अच्छे कोई नहीं करता ना अगर इंडिया में।
Probably हाँ, अभी तो
कोई करता नहीं है।
Ambani's हमारे clients हैं।
हाँ, तो बस
अभी तो probably अंबानी, दिलजीत, पीवी सिंधु, मतलब
अरे सबको आपने
ऋषभ पंत 40 जूते, श्रेयस अय्यर पिछले हफ्ते।
क्या बात कर रहे हो।
भाई सारे हमारे कस्टमर।
तो बस और भी चाहिए
वो
भाई।
लोग सही है तो भाई, और भी चाहिए, आपसे करेंगे बात।
डन डन।
इंडिया में तो पेट नहीं भरता ना।
हाँ, इंडिया
में तो चाहिए।
हाँ, दुनिया में तो चाहिए।
AOV अपना हाई है इंडिया में।
नहीं यार, बहुत बहुत स्कोप है।
AOV पे उतना, मतलब मेरे को तो थोड़ा सीलिंग दिख रहा है, बट आई मेनली फॉलो यू बिकॉज आई रन एड्स इन हाउस। एड्स हैव नॉट वर्क वेरी वेल फॉर मी।
ओके।
So you are literally probably the only guy, और बाकी एक लोग बाहर ऑस्ट्रेलिया वगैरह के। इंडिया में I think you're the only one who I follow you from a burner account। भाई की जब रील आए मैं देखूँ क्या चल रहा है। अच्छा क्रिएटिव निकाल ले सारा, चलो क्रिएटिव।
चलो ठीक है, तो एक बार लेट मी एक पे भी कनेक्ट करते हैं। लेट्स सी व्हाट बेस्ट वी कैन डू फॉर यू।
लवली टू कनेक्ट।
डन भाई, मजा आया एंड ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट, ग्रेट
Thank you
माइंड।
so much.
बस एक ही रिग्रेट है कि आई हैव बॉट दिस एंड आई कांट टेक दिस होम नाउ।
भाई कोई नहीं, आप मेरा नंबर लेके जा रहे हो। बढ़िया। If you want you can take a picture of the shoe to show your friends, है ना भाई।
नाउ यू टेल मी व्हाट टू डू।
ब्रो फिर तो छोड़ दो मेरे पे। अच्छा ये बताओ, थोड़ा क्लीन मिनिमल रखना है या भरा भी जा सकता है?
भरा भी जा सकता है।
ठीक है भाई।
See, this is not a something I want to wear daily.
हाँ, it's that one
It is I'll not wear.
कॉमेट से क्या लिया आपने?
यार कोई वाइट स्नीकर था, वाइट
तो वो थोड़ा डेली वाला
हाँ वो डेली टाइप्स, दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई विल नॉट वेयर.
स्पार्क चिंगारी.
या
ठीक है भाई.
डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट, इफ यू वांट समथिंग क्रेजी इट
डन. लेट मी थिंक फिर.
ठीक है.
इसका कुछ करते हैं. ब्रॉड थीम्स मैं आपसे ले लूंगा जो आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहे हैं.
ठीक है.
One is of course the B2C side of things.
Yeah.
The other could be if I want to try a few options within the wildlife territory of either Ranveer or Tiger. Like how you saw the claw, na?
That's
so I'll try both those directions, and what we do is we don't just go on the shoot. First we'll make it digitally. I'll send you the picture of how it can turn out. Whatever you like, we make that. Or if you want more edits, की होता है ना भाई ये सही लग रहा है. जैसे आपके clients करते हैं भाई ये creative सही है पर इसमें वो कर रहे हैं. तो उसमें हम अपने creative को edit करके कर देंगे.
इसमें एक चीज हम one thing when somebody see a shoe, they should say king.
It should say king.
Yeah, but that's the idea. So it can be a crown, it can be anything, I don't know. But king is
that's the essence
of a shoe that should
शेर
come
भी king
out.
है, market का leader भी king है, बहुत सारे kings हो सकते हैं.
हाँ मतलब the reason I'm buying this is because sort of a king vibe, but
it is.
It can have a crown or something like that. I don't know.
Done. We'll do some ideas. We'll try a little graffiti. We'll try a little this. We'll try a little that. I'll go through your profile again, see what clicks.
ठीक है, no worries.
We'll connect. We'll discuss.
Done.
Make something special.
So you give me your number once.
Oh yeah.
You're the founder.
I'm the founder.
I like the concept.
Thank you.
So maybe many of our brands I can also get you connected with. So you guys only do sneakers or?
Just sneakers. मतलब कुछ clients luxury bags वगैरह भी.
Luxury bags.
Louis Vuitton वो सब भी हो जाता है.
चलो
But
कभी.
the whole marketing, the whole angle is sneakers. So
And
like India.
you guys do D2C also, like selling on your own website.
We sell.
Wow. वो interesting.
आपसे मैं tips लूँगा कभी.
ठीक है, done, works. ठीक है, done.
चलो perfect. आप शू बिल करा लो, then just join me. I'll note a few details. We'll get this going. शू हम ले जाएंगे.
ठीक है.
I'll be in touch.
हाँ, so आप तो दिल्ली में कस्टमाइज करो, दिल्ली से दिल्ली तो और.
दिल्ली से दिल्ली हो तो पोर्टर भेज देंगे. डिलीवरी टाइम में कोई इशू नहीं है.
Done.
शू बनाने में लगाएंगे और अच्छे से.
ठीक है, अच्छे से बनाएंगे. चलो.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, likewise. Yes, that 22-year-old founder doubled the sale of Adidas. So it was actually a very interesting conversation. It's a win-win situation for customer, Adidas and Courtside. See, understand. He told me कि जब उन Adidas की सेल कम होती है, at that point of time Adidas do collaboration with Courtside. Why? I entered that showroom, I saw the shoe and मैं वो shoe नहीं खरीदता guys because मैं already Comet का shoe खरीद चुका था. ठीक है, मैंने उसके टैग पे देखा I can be customized. I asked the salesperson what is this I can be customized. I went to that Courtside counter and they told me you can do this for free of cost and I was like no, what? ये तो मुझे लेना पड़ेगा और ये मुझे आज ही लेना पड़ेगा because that was the last day. Now that was a true FOMO that Adidas bring and that led to me getting converted for that 12,000 rupee shoe. And that is how Adidas double their sale through this. Now it is Adidas benefit. One, when their revenue is down, they are able to increase their revenue. Second, the guy who was there, Courtside. Now Courtside will be getting money from Adidas. He is not doing it from his own pocket, and he is acquiring the best quality customer that exists. See, I don't know about Courtside. I would have never got from their Instagram and everything. I went to Adidas and I became customer of two brands now. One is Adidas, second is Courtside. Courtside has my information. They can show me ads. In the future, whenever I buy a sneaker, I can get it customized from Courtside. I came to my office. I talked to 5 people that what happened. I'm making a video on Courtside, by the way, which happened organically. So Courtside had a big win in this. Third, customer. Of course, I had a great win because now I can get a 5,000, 10,000 customization done free of cost. Why in the world I'll not do it? I will do it. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. Although पैसा हमारी खर्च हुआ, but still it was a good deal, no doubt about it. So 2-3 takeaway from this. First, collaborations are the best. You get their audience, they get your audience, and see, Adidas also gets Courtside audience. When I came to my office, 2 of our people in our office is going to Adidas store in Delhi. Courtside is having a collaboration there. And Adidas will get a sale because of Courtside. So सबका फायदा है. Second, the story that guy told me. See, guys, sky is the limit. And जब आपका passion, when your passion meets business, that is what great businesses are built with. Because you know, business up भी जाएगा, business down भी जाएगा और down बहुत ज़्यादा जाएगा. बट जब वो डाउन जाता है ना, अगर आपको वो बिजनेस आपका पैशन नहीं है, आप उसको रोक देते हो. यू डोंट स्टार्ट वर्किंग फॉर इट, यू जस्ट लीव इट आफ्टर अ सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. बट जब वो आपका पैशन होता है, आपको पता है यार यही है जो है, यही करना है लाइफ टाइम, तो यू वर्क फॉर इट, यू गेट इट डन. एंड द जर्नी दैट दिस गाय इज वर्किंग ऑन इज एक्चुअली वेरी टफ. इट्स नॉट ईजी. because sneaker market and then customization, he has to deal with that ultra high HNIs. And he told me like Anand Ambani, Hardik Pandya, Rishabh Pant, everybody was their customer. So yeah, it was a great conversation and I was very happy that I was wearing my Meta Ray-Ban and I was able to record this. But pura conversation miss out ho jata because guys, I'm not a vlogger. I do not carry GoPro here and there. I was just wearing Meta Ray-Ban and I tend to record this. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you like it. See you every day at 7 AM. Tata. Bye bye.